how do I say, like old lady florals. And it smells insane. The scent of this. Or if you want to be a bougie little mofo like me, you use the whole thing. Hi guys, so today I have for you my Lush Valentines 2025 haul. It's here, it's not long arrived, so I'm excited to dig in with you guys. I got, how much did I get? I can't remember, a fair bit I think. Let's just open it and have a look, shall we? And good news guys, good news, this was Yodel. It's intact. It's actually quite good nick, to be honest. It's not too bad. So, yay. Let's open her up and have a look what we've got. Ooh. So I've got my invoice. Look at these that they've sent. I did request bags on this one. I remember I did. So do these suckers. I got some giant bags. That's so handy though. They were coming really, really handy. Amazing. And then we're gonna dig in. Right, the first thing I got, which when I did my spoilers, I actually said I wasn't gonna get this, but I did. It's the Tunnel of Love bath bomb. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it says Lush on the back. Love it. So it's a little purple and pink number with glittery, sparkly Tunnel of Love on it. So essentially it's your ticket for a little Tunnel of Love fairground ride, I'd say. This one is Sultana scented, and this was the reason that I said I wasn't going to get it, because I don't hate Sultana, I'm just not a massive fan of it, you know, but it does smell good. Sultana is just very fresh and lovely. To be honest, it reminds me, I find it a bit soapy, which, I mean, isn't an issue, like we all love soap. But yeah, we have that. I'm excited to try this. I can just tell that it's going to be beautiful bath art. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be as well. It's a very, very big one. This one was, so this is 140 grams, so it's £5.50. Love it. Next up, I grabbed a Strawberry Heart soap, which is £5. And I got this one because it's one of my absolute favourite scents. So this is the Strawberry Heart soap. They also had this last year, I believe. I did get one actually last year. This scent is yummy, yummy, yummy scented, and if you didn't know, it is one of my all-time favourite scents. It is just a really lovely, soft, nostalgic, reminds me of my childhood strawberry scent. It reminds me of like lip balms, Cabbage Patch Kids, the dolls that would smell like strawberries. It's like that. It's just lovely. Next up, I didn't try this one last year, so I did grab it to try this year. It is one of the cheaper ones, and I didn't get it because sometimes when they're a bit cheaper, I like bath art, like elaborate bath art, and when they're a bit cheaper, sometimes they don't give that. So I'll be excited to see what it does give. So this is the Love Potion Bath Bomb, and it's £3.75 for, this one is 75 grams, so it's a smaller one. So it's a little purple Love Potion bottle with little hearts in. What are these? They feel like sugar hearts. So yeah, it's just plain purple, so I don't know what to expect from it, you know, but I'm hoping it'll be lovely. I can't remember watching any demos of this one last year, so I am excited to try it out and see what it's like. Oh, that's stunning. What scent is that? I've actually got my laptop here, so let's quickly find out. This is the Kiss scent. So it's listed as scent notes of mandarin and almond. That's lovely. That's just like a really sweet scent, I would say. Slightly fruity. That's really lovely. I like that. I like it a lot. Then I grabbed, this is so exciting, this is the The Two of Us Dusting Powder. So this is new this year, and it is Sex Bomb scented. And I think this is the only size you can get this in. So yeah, it's a small one for £11. It's just plain white. Let's give it a go, shall we? It's just so skin softening. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. So Sex Bomb is a floral scent. I'm not usually big on florals, but to me this isn't a floral I dislike. I just don't tend to like really rosy florals, or how do I say, like old lady florals, but this is just not like that. So main scent notes for this one, natural ones, are jasmine, clary sage and ylang ylang. It is strong, it's sultry, it's just lovely. Like if you're having a bath and a little romantic evening, stick this on with some lovely perfume and it's just a vibe. Oh, I'm so happy I got that, that's beautiful. Next up, I'm excited to try this one. So this is the Goodnight Sweetheart Pillow Spray. So it's a 15ml and it's £12. So this was out last year as well. I didn't grab it because I wasn't sure it was going to be for me and I had a lot of other things I wanted. But this year, this time around, I didn't go as wild, I don't think, as I did last year, did I? I probably have got like double what I got last year, it wouldn't surprise me. So I thought I'd try it out this year. Now, I have heard this is floral, but people say it's amazing. So I'm hoping it's not like the floral I hate. Let's give it a go together. So it is a pillow spray, it's listed as, but I have heard people say it's a perfume as well. So I mean, you could probably use it on your body, like it's not going to do any harm. So let's give it a go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's lovely. That's really like triggering something. Oh, is it triggering something my mum used to wear maybe? Oh, that's really lovely. It's a sweet floral. There is rose in it, I think. I can smell the rose. There is a rose absolute. It's giving like really ever so light, very light Turkish delight, but with a lovely sweet background. Oh, that is very nice. To be honest, I would probably wear this as a perfume, not use it as a pillow spray. I mean, I'm going to try it as a pillow spray tonight, but that's beautiful. Very pretty label as well. Love it. I'm loving this. This is like, I love Valentine's Day. Like, I know it's a big old gimmick, but it's just so pretty and colourful and just I love it. So next up, I got the Love Bug Bath Bomb. This is 155g and it's £6. Again, this one was out last year, but I didn't get it because, again, I had my eye on a lot of other stuff. So this one didn't visually appeal to me last time, but I'm like, why didn't this visually appeal to me? Look at it. It's beautiful. And it smells insane. What is this? I'm gonna have to find out. So this is Love Boat scented. I don't think I've smelled Love Boat, but I would happily smell it again. So it's like lemon, sweet wild orange and rose. Predominantly lemony, I would say, but it has a little edge to it, which I'm assuming is going to be the rose. That's lovely. Oh dear. That is lovely. Really liking that. I don't know why I thought it'd be a bit bigger though. I don't know. But I'm very excited to try that. You're going to have to let me know, guys, which one shall I use first? Next up I absolutely loved this last year and I was gutted that I didn't get more because it's just stunning. So I probably will have to get a couple more of these before the Valentine's collection goes. And it is the Strawberry Crumble Bubble Room Bubble Bar. So you get 135g and it's £8. So it looks like this. It's packed in the centre with, I believe it's like cocoa butters, shea butters, just rammed in there for moisture. Yeah, very moisturising. So what you can do is, I think last time I got about 4 baths out of this. So I cut it into 4 so I could get the moisture in every bath as well, if that makes sense. Just look at it. It's so cute. Mine has seen better days. It's been knocking around with other bath bombs, but I'm sure if you get one from the shop, it probably looks stunning. The scent of this. Ooh. So this is You Shall Go to the Ball scented. I've just got my laptop here, so from my last video. I filmed a video before this. I was like, may as well just to get the scent notes up for you. So this is tonka, strawberry and lemon scent notes. It's just phenomenal. Again, much like the Yummy Yummy Yummy. The Yummy 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 is more of a nostalgic, not false, but almost, you know, this is more strawberry, natural strawberry. And this is more nostalgic, fun strawberry. Both equally as lovely, but this is just phenomenal. Love that. Whoa, this is huge. Okay, this one could have gone very wrong in the post, but it didn't, so that's fantastic. This is a Whopper. So this is the Love Struck Bath Bomb. This one was £11 and it's 370 grams. It's an absolute whopper. Looks like that. Pink on the front, blue on the back. And then you can take this piece out and you've got, ooh, you've got purple powder in there by the looks of it, and I believe looks like there's some sort of popping candy in there as well. So that will be fun. These are fantastic. So you can use them for 3 baths if you want. You could just use this by itself. You could use the inside by itself, and you could use the bomb by itself. Or if you want to be a bougie little mofo like me, you use the whole thing. So I'm very excited. Actually, this might be the first one I try. I'll probably try this tonight. So stay tuned and we'll try this one out together. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is. It is the comforter. I was like, oh, that's the comforter, isn't it? Comforter scented. Love it. So excited for that. I've actually got loads. I didn't realise I got this much. Next up, I got a little Posh chocolate shower gel. So Lush released this, didn't they? Along with, I think, Let the Good Times Roll lotion a few months ago, sometime last year. And you could only get the big sizes, and it was about £30. And at the time, I just couldn't justify getting a big bottle of it when I had the body wash. So now for the Valentine's Day release, we've got the small ones and the medium and the big, which is fantastic. And I've also heard, good news guys, that this is going to stick around for the foreseeable future. So you can get your Posh chocolate fix in shower gel form whenever you like. Let's give this a sniff. I'm so excited. Oh God, damn. Oh, that's mixing with the powder a little bit. I just put it on my hands. That's a good combo. That's a combo. Oh, that is an absolutely very nice combo. Let's put it somewhere else. Let's put it on this hand. I don't know why, because I know what it smells like. But it's stunning. So we've got the Posh chocolate body wash, which I have in my shower. Phenomenal. We've got the shower gel. New community scrubs coming up as well. Middle of this month, I believe, we have a Posh chocolate body scrub. Lush. We just need a body spray now. That's what we need. And a lotion. Oh, just imagine how good we'll smell. Phenomenal. So the little one was £9. Let me double check. Yes, £9. Your medium 290 gram is 19, and then for 500 gram is £29. Next up, I got a shower jelly. We got the Frog Prince shower jelly. So this says, kissed a few too many frogs. Let this be your last with softening carrageenan and Prince Charming scented lavers, and finish self-care totally transformed. Oh, it's so glittery and green. Look how sparkly that is. Oh my God, he's hilarious. These shower jellies are wow hard to show on camera. I do apologise. It's a froggy face here, and then the froggy body there. Sort of see with a crown. This is Prince Charming scented, which we did have in a shower gel in one of the kitchen boxes, but I did sell mine because it was nice, but like I have too many shower gels, you know. I didn't want to have it go to waste. That's a very nice scent. So this was £7 and it's got scent notes of grapefruit, sandalwood and geranium. Very nice scent. I like that a lot. Next thing, which is extremely exciting, is the Sex Bomb body scrub. So same scent as that powder we just tried out. The top of it says, unleash your inner sex bomb with heady ylang ylang and lingering jasmine. Warning, may have people falling at your feet after use. Oh, that's pretty. That is a very nice pink colour. Just exactly the same. What a combo. Can someone tell me, because this is tripping me, like a lot of the scrubs recently are in see-through tubs. Why is this in a black one? Is there a reason? Yeah, love that. So you can get this one in 2 sizes. The little one I got was £11, and then you can get a larger one, which is 290 grams for £22. I grabbed a lip butter because I have a lip balm, like a lip mask that I use before bed, but I needed just a general, you know, lippy balm. So I got the Crush lip butter. I wish the tube was a bit more jazzy, you know? Maybe make it pink. Well, Crush is yellow, I think, isn't it? Yeah, maybe yellow. Not what I expected. I expected that to be very lemony. Scent notes on this are orange, grapefruit and orange flower. I think I could smell more grapefruit in that, but that's fine. A lip balm's a lip balm. It's absolutely going to be used. So that's everything I got. 12 items in the end, but it feels like loads. I love the range this year. I think it's lovely. All fantastic. The new stuff I've got, I'm extremely happy with. There's not one product there that I am like, because I did blind buy a few of these. Like this, I was very worried about this, but this is gorgeous. So yeah, super excited about all that. Do let me know what you guys picked up from the Valentine's range, because I know it's been in stores a few days. I would have usually got this next day delivery, but with the Boxing Day orders and stuff, it wasn't available on the website, so I did have to wait the regular amount of time. But do let me know what you guys have got. If you've tried any of it already, let me know what it's like, and I will catch you guys in my next video. See you soon. Bye.